Hello guys, welcome to the 21st session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn about cascading values and parameters. Cascading values and parameters are ways to pass a value from a component to all of its descendants without using traditional component parameters. In traditional parameter, we have to set each parameter values in syntax of the attribute of that component. In case of cascading parameters, we need to use different tags, that is, cascading values to specify its value to be cascade to all the descendants. It means we need to set value in one tag and it will be available to all of the components. We do not need to specify in it all the components. Let's understand it with an example. Here, I'm going to create a simple page. It will have title, body and footer. Title text will be set from main page and used by page title and page footer. Now let's start with page title. Create a new component, page title. Create a new property, title text. And decorate it with Cascading parameter. Display this title text in the heading and add a horizontal ruler for separation. Now create a component for page body. It will just contain static text data. I have already copied, so paste it here. Create a footer component, page footer. It also has a title text for which it will be cascading parameters. In UI, add a separator. In small font, write copyright our company with title text. Now let's create a main page. It will render those all components. Create a new property that will hold the value of page title. Add a page directive session 21 main page. Use cascading value to set value for cascading parameter. In value attribute, set property that you want to pass in all the descendant components. Now within this tag, we need to add components. So let's add page title, page body, and page footer. Here, title and footer have a cascading parameter. We have passed it from here. If we have used traditional parameter, then we have to pass this in both components individually, which makes it a little bit complicated for a larger application. Now save all the files and run the project. Open the main page. Here is a text from page title and this came from page footer. Here we can see that we got the proper result as per our expectations. So let's see what we have learned in this session. Cascading parameter allows us to pass the value to multiple descendant components from one place. To pass cascading value, we need to use cascading value attribute. In value attribute, set value to be passed. In the descendant component, we need to create the property and decorate it with cascading parameter attribute. Note that variable name used in the parent component and in the descendant component it can be different. Here is a descendant component. We have used title text, where in main page we have created page title. We will see more about cascading parameters in the next session. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.